Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. Dear children, in the previous class we already learned some neighborhood places, isn't it? It's also called public places. The neighborhood places or public places are school, market, hospital, post office, police station, park, bank. We already learned it. Today we are going to learn some other neighborhood places or some other public places. First we go to fire station. Let me start children. Okay. Let me see fire station. A fire station is a place where we find the firefighter. The firefighters are called when any place catch fire. They help in putting out of the fire. Their children, when there is a major fire, we called fire station to put off the fire. Every fire station has fire engine, long water pipe, big ladders and firefighters. The firefighters are very brave. These firefighters also called fire brigade. This fire brigade does very useful work to save people and their properties. Fire brigade protect the people and their properties from the fire. Got it children? Fire engine you already seen. Red color vehicles. You know it, fire engine. Isn't it children? This provides, fire station provides emergency services to us. Got it? This hospital, police station and fire station. This provides emergency services to us. Got it children? Okay, next we go to bus stop. Every neighborhood has bus stop. We get buses to different places from the bus stop. The children, every neighborhood has bus stop. One or two bus stops. Every bus stop has their own name. Isn't it? Every bus stop has their own name. Various buses are stops here. We get different buses from the bus stop. Why we use the bus? We use the bus to travel from one place to another. Isn't it children? There are various types of bus. Local bus, express bus, semi-luxury bus, luxury bus, you know it. Various buses are available in the bus stop. Got it? Next we go to railway station. Some neighborhoods also have a railway station. We board a train to go from one place to another at the railway station. We get the train from the railway station. The trains are stopping the railway station. You already seen railway station. You know it, isn't it children? The peoples are traveling from one place to another place by train. Isn't it? Okay children. Next, places of worship. People go to offer prayers at different places of worship in the neighborhood. There are places of worship like temple, church, mosque and gurudwara in a neighborhood. Some people go to pray. Isn't it? Look here children. There is given some worship places. Temple, church, mosque and gurudwara. Hindu people go to temple to pray. Christian people go to church. Every Sunday they go church to pray. Isn't it children? Next, mosque. Muslim people go to pray here. They go to mosque to pray. And gurudwara. The Sikh people go to gurudwara to pray. These are all called worship places. Got it children? Next here is given on activity. See here children. Take the people to the right places in the neighborhood. Here is some people standing here. Observe in your book. Observe in your textbook, children. He is a doctor. Here is a police officer. And here is a girl. She wear uniform. Isn't it, children? Where doctor work? Doctor works at hospital. Here is a hospital. Isn't it, children? Where police officer work? The police officer in police station. Isn't it? Children, this girl, they go to school. Isn't it? So take a pencil and mark it. Okay, doctor. Here is a hospital. And this girl. He come to school. And police officer. Police station. Take a pencil and mark it clearly. Okay. Okay, children. Next we go to how to behave in public places. Behave in public places. Dear children, we cannot behave like we behave in our home. We cannot behave in a public places like as we behave in our home. Isn't it, children? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಇನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೋಮ್. Isn't it? How can we behave in public places? Let me see. Okay. We should be polite and behave well at public places. Got it, children? We should behave polite and behave well in public places. ನಾವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯ ನಡವಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಪೊಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೌಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲೌಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಶೌಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಿರ್ಚಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲೌಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ we never shout and never play loud music in the public places. Got it? Next, we must keep these places clean and tidy. It is our duty to keep the public places clean and tidy. Got it? Next, we should not litter the place and keep it clean. We should not throw the papers and wastes in the public places. We must use the dustbin, public dustbin. Got it, children? We should maintain clean. We should keep clean the public places. Got it? While waiting in a line, we must be patient and wait for our turn. Sometimes we waiting in the line in the public places. For example, whenever we pay the current bill, water bill, and in bank, in post office, sometimes we waiting in the line. So we must have patience. ನಾವು ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹನೆಯಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಮುಂದೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ನಮ್ಮ ಟರ್ನ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸರದಿ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Got it, children? Okay, children, this lesson is completed here. This exercise work I will send through WhatsApp. Okay? I hope all of you understood well this lesson. Okay, children.